Okay, this is a quick video on some extra problems that you could be doing if you're interested and want to push your knowledge a little further. They're about combining some of these exponent rules into one problem. So let's go through a couple of them together, and then there's one example at the end for you to try on your own. So here you've got division, you've also got multiplication, and you have the power of a power rule to be combined together. So I think the first thing we should do is deal with this multiplication on the bottom. So this actually has a power of 1 here. And when we do that, ignoring the 3 for the time being, we do 1 plus 2 gives us n to the power of 3. Okay, and the 3 that we have here, we're just going to leave as is, and we'll put in front. Okay, and then we still have this top part, n to the power of 4. And outside the brackets, you've got also to the power of 4. And we'll see how that comes in at the end. Okay. Now we've got division. Again, let's just leave this 3 on its own for the time being. 4 n to the power of 4 divided by n to the power of 3. Remember, we subtract powers when we're dividing, as long as they have the same base. In this case, they both have n. So we do 4 take away 3, which gives me 1. So we're left with, I'm going to move it up here just a bit. We're left with n to the power of 1 on top, divided by 3. And then on top, outside the brackets, we have the power of 4. This power of 4 outside the brackets with division is a little tricky, but really what we just do is we take the 4 and we multiply here by the power. And here there's a power of 1 also. So we do 4 times by 1 as well. So we end up with n to the power of 4 and 3 to the power of 4. Okay, you could evaluate 3 to the power of 4. I think it's 81. Or you can just write it as 3 to the power of 4, like this. Okay, so let's just see if that'll give us the answer if I hide the pen. Oh, my face is in the way. Oh my gosh. I'll move myself over here. Okay, so n to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 4, which is 81. Okay, so this next question, and again, my face is blocking, so I'll move myself over here. You've got multiplication, you've got a power of a power, and you have division. Remember, this is not so bad because you have a power of 1. So let's deal with these two. Remember, when we're multiplying powers with the same base, we add the exponents. So I'll try and draw down here. We have 2, stays the same, x to the power of 7. That's a 7, sorry. And then x to the power of 1, all raised to the power of 4 outside the brackets here. Okay, 7, x to the power of 7 divided by x to the power of 1. Remember, we subtract, so we do 7 take away 1. So we have 2 to the power of 6. 2 times x to the power of 6. And that's all to the power of 4. Okay, when we do that, we have to distribute, like the 6 is multiplied by the 4 as well as the 2. It also has a power. We have 1 times 4. So our final answer, I'm going to switch over here, is 16 x to the power of 24. Okay, so 2 to the power of 4 is 16, and then 6 times 4 is 24. So there's your final answer. This complicated looking thing can simplify nicely to 16 times x to the power of 24. Okay, so I'm going to leave this one for you to practice on your own. Okay, same rules apply. You've got power of a power, you've got some multiplication, you've got some division here. And yeah, when you're done, flag me down and I'll come over and help you to see if you got it right, or we can go through it together. Okay, good luck on these extension problems and well done for trying them out. Nice work.